Okay, my name is Tom. I'm the owner of Stone Masters, located in Franklin Park, Illinois. I have been in business since 1998. I bought this laser. I think it's the best decision and best tool on the market you can get. Laser products device and the service is amazing. You know, I mean, I text you, you call me back in 2 minutes.
Appreciate it.
Okay, it's, you know, so you guys' service is amazing. The machine is amazing. I mean, before I got it, I was skeptical. I'm like, there is no way this thing is accurate. It's impossible. But now, when I know how to use it, which is extremely easy, you can teach somebody how to use it within a day.
For all the people that are thinking about digital templating, we talked about it obviously earlier, what would be the first step for you at this point?
First step, I would definitely get this laser. Then I would get a plotter. And start learning. I mean, learning, it's so easy and fast, so you're gonna learn it in a day. Okay, and then start that way. And then think about getting a CNC saw.
Correct.
That would be getting a CNC saw first, then getting this is like starting backwards. This makes it much more easier. I'm a perfectionist. I've been, you know, I started working with stone when I was 16 years old. That was my part-time job in high school. I started my business when I was 18 in 1998. There is no cutting at the job site, and when you measure with this laser, there is no cutting at the job site. There is no butchering of the drywall. Okay, like most of the people do. Okay, there is no fitting the pieces on site. You go in, it fits like a glove. If you're going between walls, you know, or between panels, you got 16th of an inch on each side. You know, you regulate how much space you want, but it fits perfect. We never cut any pieces on the job site. We never cut the walls at the job site. We never do any modifications on the job site. If your saw is cutting correctly and the pieces are measured with this, it fits perfect.
Well, you heard it. Tom, Stone Masters, thank you.
Thank you.